day 3 of our Izu Peninsula trip, and we just checked out of our hostel, left the bikes there so we can do some sightseeing and see Shuzenji temple. Had a good time exploring the bamboo forest and temples in Shuzenji, and then it was time to hit the road again with our bikes.
It's good to be back on the bike again after all that rain and all those pedal problems. Let's just hope that both hold out. So we had really heavy rain this morning, really heavy, but it's just stopped, so we're now on the way to Mishima. Yesterday got very lucky. We went to the tourist information office and asked for help for my bike, and there's no repair shop anywhere near here. In the end, they knew someone in a restaurant, an Italian restaurant, who was good with bikes, and he tried a new pedal on my bike. He removed the pedal from one of his bikes and just put it on mine, which is this one. And unbelievably it fits, and he gave it to me for free. So yeah, thank you to the Crank restaurant for that in Shuzenji.
From here we cycled about 20 kilometers all the way along the river to Mishima, which was a great route and much nicer than on the roads. This was the moment when we finally got Jonathan's bike fixed in a mountain bike shop in Mishima, and the guys were really nice and fixed it pretty quickly, and that allowed us to keep going on our bikes. After our 20-kilometer cycle and having fixed the bike, we explored Mishima's local park, and it was only 300 yen to get in. And very peaceful and very nice, really vast garden grounds, and quite relaxing to explore it.
That's a nice little spot with some families swimming in the river higher up there. It's a lot warmer than it looks today. Wow, it's really nice here. GENBE River. Pretty high. So this is a World Heritage Site, and this is water that comes all the way from Mount Fuji. So we've arrived at the Dormy Inn. It's a big chain of business hotels that we've stayed in before, but the bike parking was pretty terrible. It was on a slope and nothing to tie up our bikes to, so we were really worried that it might blow over tonight. It's kind of typhoon-like weather, so after a lot of persuasion, this is the solution.
Thank you for watching our bike trip in Izu. Despite the rain, we had a lot of fun and can't wait to return.